Where's your tongue? Where's your ear? Where are they? Yeah, there they are. Where's your hair? Uh-huh. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Is that your nose? Yeah. Where's your teeth? Yeah, pretty teeth. Can you smile? Yeah. Where's your eyes? Your eyes? Boop, right there. Where's your tongue? Can you go blah 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 blah? Can you say dada?
Yeah.
Can you say block? That's right. Can you say pig? What sound does a cow make? Moo. Yeah. And what sound does a pig make? That's right. Can you say open? Open. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Kira, where's your feet? Are those your feet? Are you gonna pretend to take a nap? Lay down and take a nap. Can you go to sleep? Okay, go to sleep. Right here.